Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to solve general paper. So this is the 2014 question paper. So before going to start, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel so that you will get the information regarding upcoming videos. Let us start. Here the first question is identify independent and dependent variables in this hypothesis. Running will increase a person's heart rate. Here IV means independent variable, DV means dependent variable. So the option increase person, they have given the combination. So if we read the options, all the four, here correct option is going to be the independent variable is running and heart rate is what dependent variable. The next question here, cricket score is what kind of variable? Continuous, discontinuous, both discrete, continuous, in intervening variable. Option B, discrete variable. One test that helps analyze observed frequency and expected frequency. Option here mono t-test ANOVA chi-square. Option D is correct here. One test that helps analyze observed frequency and expected frequency. What type is snowball sampling? Non-probability, probability, multi-stage, random. Option A is correct here, non-probability sampling. Which is the research method predominantly used to study cultural anthropology? Interview, panel discussion, participant observation, focus group discussion. Fifth is option C, participant observation. While researching on Dr. U.R. Ananthamurthy, what kind of data are you collecting on the basis of interview with him? Secondary, primary, tertiary, filtered. Option B is correct here. The post broadcast media refers to folk media, social media, print media, electronic media. Option B, social media. The technique that was used by the Roman Catholic Church in 1622 to propagate the faith came to be known as publicity, religious propagation, seminary discourse, propaganda. Option D is correct here. The place where public opinions are formed as a result of communication, public debate, public sphere, media bite, media circle. Option B is correct here, public sphere. Big Boss is an example for virtual public TV reality. So option C, reality, that is reality show. Mathematical model in communication is credited to Osgood, Scarn, Shannon and Weaver, Rogers and Daniel Lerner, Everett Rogers. Option B is correct, Shannon and Weaver. Catwalk is a fine example for verbal cybernetics, interpersonal kinesics. 12, option D. Two statements 1 and 2 given below. You have to consider statement which are true. All jungles are elephants, some elephants are horses. Conclusion, all horses are jungles, some elephants are jungles. Only conclusion A follows, B follows, neither B, neither A, both. Option 13 is going to be B, only conclusion B follows. Some elephants are jungles. In the following question, two assumptions have been given. Consider which assumption is going to implement. Enroll with us before 15th December to get the advantage of our 20% discount offer and advertisement by a coaching class. So assumption discount offer is bound to attract good students as well, even though students who cannot afford to pay the fees of coaching classes may join this class. Only assumption is implicit. Second, neither first, second or both. 14th will be option C. Neither assumption 1 or 2 is implicit here. The question below is followed by two arguments. So which is strong and weak you have to identify here. Should public holidays be declared on the demise of important national leaders? No such arguments here. First one, no such unscheduled holiday hamper the national progress. Yes, people would like to pay their homage to the departed soul. Only first one is correct argument. Second, strong. Neither first nor second, both are strong. 15th one is option A. Among the four terms marked A to D, three terms are similar and one is dissimilar. Find the one that is not similar. Loamy soil, slit, clay soil, sandy soil. 16. Actually, this is grace marks. None of them is correct. Choose the pair of words which shows the same relationship as given at the top. Skin, yarn. After reading all the four options here, ream and paper are the pairs. Which statement represents the inverse of the statement? If it is snowing, then Skeeter wears a sweater. If Skeeter wears a sweater, then it is snowing. If Skeeter doesn't wear a sweater, then it is not snowing. If it is not snowing, then Skeeter doesn't wear a sweater. If it is not snowing, then Skeeter wears a sweater. 18th option, if it is not snowing, then Skeeter doesn't not wear a sweater. What is a unit of information? Byte, bit, byte, gram, hertz. Option is A. Wait. Which of the following is not valid version of MS Office? Office XP Vista 2007-10. Option B. Vista is not valid version of MS Office. ERP is an acronym for Enterprise Retirement Planning, Relationship Planning, Resource Planning, Reorder Planning. 21. Option C. Enterprise Resource Planning. Trojan Horse is a software program which provides function within Microsoft Word, a software program designed to detect computer virus, an application software designed to enhance the quality of an information system, a software program that appears legitimate but contain hidden function that cause damage. 22. Option D. Binary system of numbers uses only 1 and 2. Yes, correct. 23 is going to be binary 0 and 1, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 0 and 1. The ability of an operating system to run more than one application at a time is called multi-user computing, multitasking, time sharing, object-oriented program. 24. Option B, multitasking. The headquarters of NAC is situated in New Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata, Bangalore. It is option D, Bangalore. The present chairman of ICHR, Shetter Ali Sudarshan Roy Ramchandra Goa Sekali. 26B. Actually, at that time, he was there. In Amarkand MP, a national university is established. Name it. 27. Indira Gandhi National Travel University. The first known residential international university of the world is Magad, Nalanda, Vikshila, Takshashila. 28 B. Nalanda. Community colleges scheme concentrates on technical, general, vocational or adult education. 29 option C. Vocational education. Indian Institute of Advanced Study is located at New Delhi, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Shimla. 30 option D. Shimla. So here is the passage they have given. Just you have to read it carefully and then you have to answer for the questions given here. Just I will mention the options which are correct. So the first question, what is Chomsky's opinion on capitalist democracy? The option B is correct here, supports it. After reading the passage, you can clearly understand and answer for the questions. What is the bothering American public? 32, it is going to be B. Jobs. What is the economic situations in Europe? Option C. Depending on global financial institution. What is Chomsky's taken on American healthcare system? A. Scandals. What is the suggestion here to reduce deficit in America? Healthcare. 35 option A, healthcare as in Europe. What is shock? What did shock the Wall Street Journal? 36 option D, vanishing of democracy in Europe. So the next is reasoning or aptitude numerical ability test. So 10 men can complete a piece of work in 15 days. 15 women can complete the same work in 12 days. If all the 10 men and 15 women work together, in how many days will the work get completed? So 37 6 is to 2 by 3. Find the sixth term in the following series: 2, 4, 12, 48, 240. So here if you multiply each time, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 4, 48, 48 into 5, 240 into 6. Then the correct option for this series is 38. That is B. 240 into 6. Here you have to multiply 240 into 6. Then you will get 11440. It was Sunday on January 1st, 2006. What was the day on the week on January 1st, 2010? 39th option A, Friday. The merchant has 100 kg of sugar, part of which he sells at 8% profit and the rest at 18% profit. He gains 14% on the whole. The quantity sold at 18% profit is 40 option C. The population of a town 2 years ago was 62,500. Due to migration to big cities, it decreases every year at the rate of 4%. The present population of the town is option B here. In if GZWRF is coded as Burma, then how LZWRFSD will be coded? 42 option C. So here they have given data, then you have to read it carefully and answer the questions from questions. 5 questions you have to answer. In a day, how many units of fabric Y can be completed at most? 43. Option D. And then if 20 units of fabric Y are made in a day, how many units of fabric X can be completed the same day? 44. Option D. If only 30 units of fabric Y are made in a day, how many machine hours will be idle that day? 45. Option C. If one more dyeing machine is added at the most, how many more units of fabric X made in a day? Option A 0. If only fabric X has to be made, what machine should be brought so that there is a maximum increase in production capacity? Option C dyeing machine. If only fabric Y has to be made, what machine should be brought so that there is a maximum increase in production capacity? 48. Option C. What is a summative evaluation? Find summative evaluation. Option D. Basically an impact study. Evaluation is different from measurement. If so, how? Option B. Comprehensive process of judging. One of the following is related to fundamentals of learning: adoption, perception, cognition, teaching aids. 51. Option C. Cognition. These are fundamentals of course design. 52. Option B. Goal, content, context, methods, assessment. What is the type of verbal communication do you find in classroom? Spoken, written. 53. B. Spoken, written. What is meant by semantic in classroom teaching? Semantics. Option C. It concerns verbal and non-verbal codes. The warning of Earth due to atmospheric gases is known as air pollution, ozone, green house effect, gas effect. Option C. Greenhouse effect. Ozone is scientifically represents as O3. Then crocodile prefers sun bath to evaluate body temperature. Who can declare an area to be constituted as a national park according to Wildlife Act? Option C. State government. Biological hotspot refers to spot where environment has reached dangerous level. Who is the chairman of Pollution Control Board of Karnataka? At that time, Vamanacharya was the president. So these all are the question answers for the general paper KSET exam. I hope this